Yeah. Look at him. What you doing, bro? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. That's a good boy. I want to train him, guys. I don't know how to do that. I'm scared he's going to fall right now. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he... Oh! I don't know why I thought he was going to fall, man. I got to stop being so sensitive. It's my baby. He's just a kitten. I'm sorry. They're good boys. He's a good boy. Look at him. Beautiful. Hi there, boys. That's my baby boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. That's Raw. What are you doing, Raw? Look at these feet, boy. Look at those feet. Look at those feet. Look at that pretty coat. Oh, he's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's my baby. So don't touch my feet, woman. Don't touch my feet. Stand up, 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 up. There we go. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Say quit. You're the cutest. You got your finger caught in there, Goofy. What happened? Pretty face. Hey, best dad like the stick too, huh, bitch? She like the stick too. Oh yeah. Hello, best dad. Hello, best dad. Oh yeah. That feel good, don't it? Whoa. He's so soft. He's so soft. Oh, I thought, how long we gonna do that one? Stay. Good boy. Stay. Chin up. Stay. Chin up. Chin up. Hi, best dad. Come on up. Come on up. Come on, best dad. Good girl. Come on. Come on, best dad. Come on. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. Get him. Get him. Oh, he ain't too keen on the stick all the time, huh? You get a little rough. See, he don't like it like that. I bet that been her little mood. I don't know. She been feeling some kind of way. She ain't been wanting to be touched lately. Or picked up, shall I say. Look. Yeah, you gotta get her on. Look. She started tripping already. Bested always tripping. So stop acting like that, Bested. She gave out a good old mean growl too one time. I don't care, Bested. I'm gonna get you sometimes and love on ya. Whether you like it or not, Bested. Okay? Okay? Whether you like it or not, I'm gonna love on you. Give me 30 seconds, damn it. Huh? You eat my food. Shit. Okay. Well, I love you too, Betty. Look at your black self. You so black. Y'all on then. Little funky ass.